The default grind and dose setting on the machine upon first setup should get you to a great cup of coffee. Of course, all coffee beans are a bit different, so you may need to refine the dose setting according to your favorite coffee beans. Don't forget to use fresh coffee beans to make it easier for you to set up the machine. First, let's check the dose level before we make any changes. We'll grind and tamp, and we want to get the level to the ridge in the basket. It's the same ridge in both the single and the double baskets. So now we'll tamp the coffee, and then we can do a little barista twist so it's nice and level. This dose level is below the line, so let's adjust the dose dial up. Just a couple of notches. You want to make small changes, and then we can test the dose again and see if it's in line with the ridge. We now have the perfect dose, so let's put the portafilter into the machine and see what our coffee looks like. Now that your dose is set, if your coffee is still pouring too fast or tasting weak, you will need to adjust the grind finer.